Hey YouTube, just got a quick tip for you for doing oil changes. I've been doing this with my last dozen bikes or so. I'll do it with my cars as well, but mainly bikes. Really makes oil changes a lot simpler. Somebody may have already done this before, but I've never seen a video on it. So I thought I would let you know. I take, using my service manual or whatever you find online as far as how many quarts of oil that your bike may take. And what I do is I just take a milk jug and I will actually put marks on it showing exactly how many quarts without oil filter and with an oil filter. And what I do obviously is I just rinse this out because I usually drink the milk, and then I will measure out exactly the water for each measurement, mark the line on there, then just dump it out, let it dry, and then when it comes to doing an oil change, I just pour the oil where it's going to be, whether it's going to be without an oil filter or if I'm doing it with an oil filter, and then just put the cap on and take it out to the bike and go from there. I don't have to worry about the sight glass or anything because everything's already pre-measured based on the service manual. So a little tip, the oil doesn't seem to hurt the jug at all, doesn't seem to spill out. I've been using this for years and years, and not this one, but other jugs, and it works fine. So anyway, cute little tip. If you find some benefit in that, great.